everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about the 5 benefits of making yogurt at home, and I will also illustrate it with an instant pot that I have. It's my favorite. One of the benefits is that it provides a healthier ingredients benefit than the store-bought yogurts, because homemade yogurt is free from added sugars, preservatives, and artificial flavors often found in the store-bought versions of it. And you can use organic and natural ingredients for a healthier option. And if the store-bought yogurt has been through a pasteurization process, it kills some of the bacteria in it that are healthy for our gut health. But if you make your homemade yogurt at home, you will have more variety of those bacteria still living. And it takes less time to be in your home. It's already in your home, so that also gives added benefit of being more fresh. Secondly, making yogurt at home has cost benefits to it. It's more cost saving. It becomes more economical in the long run if you do it all the time. For example, a single batch can be significantly cheaper than buying individual servings of commercial yogurt. Obviously, whenever companies process food, it takes them time. It takes them packaging costs and it takes them shipping costs that adds to the overall cost. But if we make our yogurt at home, we are already using our own kitchen and not needing to use somebody else's kitchen, and also we don't need to ship the product. We all need to do is to put it in our fridge. And I think I mentioned this, the higher probiotic content is another benefit. That supports our digestive health. You can ensure high quality and quantity of probiotics by controlling the fermentation process. For example, I will add some kefir. I will touch base on it next. For example, if we use kefir, it contains a broader range of probiotics compared to regular yogurt, including unique strains that can enhance gut health more effectively. These diverse probiotics can aid digestion, improve lactose digestion, and boost the immune system. So I want to also touch base about sustainability of making yogurt at home. If we make it at home, we reduce the plastic waste from store-bought versions and packaging, and using reusable jars or pots at home to store your yogurt is better for the environment. Not to mention that we don't use any gas to ship it to our home. It could be from our own car or from a shipping company, right? So if we can cut that, it helps the environment a lot. And what else? I think that's all I want to talk about, the benefits of making your own yogurt at home. Now let's move on to illustrating how to make it at home. It's very easy. My dad used to make it in a pot, wrapping it up with some blankets to have the fermentation process overnight. But luckily I have instant pot. It helps me with many things. Today I want to focus on the yogurt section of instant pot that it provides. Thanks, and let's do the yogurt together. First of all, before we start, let me show you my ingredients. I have organic whole milk that I bought from Costco. It's A2 grade. It has excellent source of calcium, good source of protein. I prefer whole milk such that it has more fat content that helps keeping our insulin spikes in check. And secondly, and most importantly, I will start my first batch from a yogurt culture already. I will use organic Greek yogurt that I have purchased from Costco. And hopefully once I start my first batch, I will not need to buy a store-bought yogurt anymore. And as I mentioned, I will also use kefir. I will add some of this for added benefits of diverse bacteria in the yogurt. I have my instant pot with me. I will show you how to use it later. So let's go ahead and start with adding our ingredients. I am going to make 1 gallon of yogurt. So I'm using 2 half-gallon milks, as long as my Instant Pot allows it. Yes, it does. So let's go ahead and empty our yogurts, the milk. I'm leaving a little bit of space at top to allow adding some yogurt in it. I'm not going to have any specific measurements for the yogurt. I'm going to add 3 full spoons of my yogurt, and then now I'm going to add my kefir, and then we will mix it. Let me shake this. Been sitting in the fridge for a while. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I bought this from Trader Joe. It's a grade A cultured goat milk. I think this is good enough. Now I will mix this. Now I'm going to select the yogurt option, and in 8 hours it will be ready thanks to my Instant Pot. It will arrange the temperature to the right setting and provide some sealing until it is done. And I will see you in 8 hours. Thank